Cellular respiration is where animal cells turn glucose and oxygen into carbon dioxide and water, releasing energy in the process.
The cellular respiration system converts food into energy that the cells need to function in our bodies.
The light dependent reaction is when water and light go into the thylakoids and have a chemical reaction. The product of that chemical reaction is ATP and oxygen. The oxygen gets released from the chloroplast, which becomes the oxygen we breathe. The light independent reaction happens when ATP and carbon dioxide go into the stroma and have a chemical reaction that the result of that chemical reaction is glucose, which stays in the plant.